Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Webster front flip. Alright, so there's many different ways to do this. I'm just going to show you my way, okay? And disclaimer, this trick took me a long time to be able to stand up kind of straight. It does take a lot of power. If you're not a flipper or anything like that, it's going to take you a while to land good, okay? So how I start, figure out which leg you're going to go off of, and then what I do is I do a little hop, like this, and that's when I do my Webster, okay? So what I do, take a hop, jump off my left leg. I don't know, you don't have to do this is just what I feel comfortable. Go here, land on your leg that you're going to go off of. You got to drive this leg, the opposite leg that you're standing on, drive it up as hard as you can, along with your arms swinging backwards, okay? So here, up, drive it up, drive your arms up as too, and that's going to be the most important part for you to just really be able to drive up and get that power and be able to complete the front flip and land good, okay? So here, boom, swing up, and then once you take off of the ground, you're gonna grab here. There's no other way to grab. You can't grab here because your arms are already going backwards, so you have to grab here. Some people only grab one leg and have their tuck like this, or you can grab both. I would recommend grabbing both, okay? So, boom, swing up, grab, and then hold it until you come around and open up, okay? Like I said, this trick is not gonna come in one day. You gotta practice it for a while. At least I did. But yeah, I'll show you one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to do a Webster front flip. Thanks for watching.